Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a croissant tart using an easy method. First, gather your simple ingredients like pre-made croissant dough, your chosen filling, and an egg wash. Next, prepare the dough by gently unrolling it and pressing it into your tart pan. Then, add your delicious filling, ensuring it's evenly spread. Finally, bake your tart until it's beautifully golden brown and the filling is perfectly set, ready to enjoy. To craft your easy croissant tart base, begin by using 1 sheet of pre-made puff pastry or croissant dough. This saves so much time. Gently unroll the dough onto a lightly floured surface, then carefully press it into a 9-inch tart pan, ensuring it covers the bottom and sides. Finally, trim any excess dough from the edges for a neat finish. This simple step creates a perfect foundation for your delicious tart. Now for the fun part. Choosing your delicious tart filling, you have so many options. For a sweet treat, consider fresh berries, a creamy cheese mixture, or rich chocolate ganache. If you prefer savory, try a combination of cheeses, roasted vegetables, or even some diced ham. Remember to spread a thin layer of jam or custard first for extra flavor. Just ensure your filling isn't too wet to keep that crust perfectly crisp. Finally, it's time to bake and enjoy your wonderful croissant tart. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully place your filled tart into the preheated oven and bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the crust is beautifully golden brown and the filling is perfectly set. Let it cool for at least 15 minutes before slicing and serving. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.